Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Gino's Creative Cooking. Look at that sauce. Are you tired of the boring pasta? This one-pan tuna pasta will completely change how you feel about canned tuna. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn some simple ingredients into a creamy flavor packed sauce that makes this dish truly unforgettable. Look at that sauce. You got some pasta there itself. We got some red onion. I love me some red onion. Fresh ginger, fresh garlic. Well, look at that. I like using this vegetable cutter. It's so much fun. Look at that. Just pull the string. It makes it fun. I love using it and it does a good job. Well, let's start. Keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe after watching this video. Press that thumbs up, share, like, and let's watch.